Hi guys, welcome to a short video about the easiest way how to add a new router or connect your old devices to a new router when you have to buy a new router. Maybe the old one is too slow, outdated, doesn't work anymore, whatever, or it was just leased from an internet service provider and you have to give it back. What to do? What's the easiest thing if you have already many devices which are connected to this old router and you get a new one? Usually there's a default password and SSID. This is my recommendation. You can always log into the new router and change the SSID and password, and the devices which were used to connect to the old router should automatically connect to the new router. And this is not just saying, it's not just something on the internet, on Quora. I've been googling this for you, and it seems that most people are confirming on that, and it's not just like me googling this thing. I've just done this about 1 hour before. I had an old router, Amazon Eero, which where about 20 devices at least have been connected, many security cameras which I have, a lot of other devices, and I wanted to get rid of this. I want to buy a new Wi-Fi 6 router, and I bought it and installed it, and I changed the password and SSID to exactly the same thing which I had on the old Amazon Eero router, and my devices almost instantly reconnected to the new router. So it looks like they don't see any difference. They are not really connected to the router. They are just connecting to SSID and the password, and everything else doesn't matter. I mean, there are some small things. I mean, if you had connected the old router in a very specific way, there are some settings which couldn't match to maybe the new router, but it's usually only when you do some very specific things. If you just had the old SSID and password, there's a huge likelihood it will also work on the new router. So that's a little bit of relief I wanted to provide you if you are planning to buy a new router. So it looks like it's not a big deal. It's just a small thing as long as you're using same Wi-Fi name and password. By the way, again, my old router was the Amazon Eero. It's a good one. I'm not complaining. I mean, it's nice, but it's just too expensive. And I bought now this one here, ASUS Wi-Fi 6. It comes in a 2-pack with master slave, and it's available for only $140. Really great price, much cheaper than the Amazon thing. And I haven't found any difference. Wi-Fi connection, everything, speed, everything is absolutely the same. The wireless reach, exactly the same. So I can highly recommend this thing, and I'll put down the link to this one here down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.